So you can see the Polynesian coming along over there for the DVC. Grand Floridian. Looks like they basically stopped with the roofing over there. Look at this cool picture spot here for Not So Scary. And you guys, here we are. Idalia has just passed right over Orlando, and it's not done anything but rain. It's raining lightly right now. It's been off and on. We're getting waves of rain, and you can see this park is empty. Wonderful. My thoughts are with Northern Florida Panhandle. They will not be as fortunate. They will see the brunt of this storm that came in as a Category 4, I believe, when it hit land. So we're very thankful and we're very lucky. The park is empty. So let's have fun. We got Tron right now. First thing, my queue has been called and I've got a late start. It's already 10:15, 10:30. I wasn't in a hurry this morning because I knew it was gonna be empty. I'm getting better at Space Ranger Spin. I still suck, but that was one of my higher scores for sure. I found a secret, I guess. And I'm busting through the buildings to stay out of the rain, so. Something that big. And this is why there's like hardly anybody here today. Ooh, and it's getting all foggy on my lens. Amazing. Everything's literally just walk on. You just walk up and get on. It's crazy. It's a little water, so what? I actually have a rain jacket on, which I never do, but it's awesome. Teacup action, let's go. If I'm with Cassie, she makes me spin like crazy, but I could be casual right now and just not get seasick or dizzy or whatever you want to. See, now the rain has slowed down. It kind of comes and goes in waves. Yeah, so this is basically the line. It's just one little lineup over to the car. Again, another amazing line. It's crazy today, you guys. It's just walk-ons. Bouncing with Tigger. Let's go, Tigger.
Bouncing makes you feel just great, doesn't it? Helps I have a lump in noodle.
It's a blustery day. Just like outside, right? To the dead center. Straight walk in, you guys. Another straight walk in here. Let's go. Almost. And it continues. Big Thunder, 5 minutes. Look at that. Good times, man. Good times. And the rain has stopped for a minute here. How about that? Yeah, so right after I got off, they closed it for weather. There must be some lightning in the area or something that's making them close it. So, lucked out on that one. Another walk-on. Pirates, pretty much just straight walk-on, you guys. As you guys can see, look at this place, man. Oh my goodness. It's so dead. and so amazing. Well, you guys, it's been absolutely amazing. Hurricane Idalia scared everyone away. The rain and all that. Right now, there's a little weather passing through, so the outdoor rides have been shut down. So I'm making my way to lunch, and I'll probably park hop to somewhere else today, but if not, thanks for joining me here in Magic Kingdom.